Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you my avocado and banana mask for my hair. So my hair has been growing rapidly, so I decided, because I'm gonna deep condition my hair. I have my hair braided down a couple days ago, so I wore wigs, so it's not really dirty. So, and then I want to use up the avocado and banana because they're going bad, really. So the banana and the avocados that I'm going to be using, they're going bad. Y'all know, if you buy fruits and stuff like that, if you don't eat it on time, they tend to go bad. So the fruits I'm going to be using, they are bad. Okay, so you don't have to use what I'm using. You can use fresh or old products like me. I don't really care. It's hair mask. It doesn't have to be fresh. I just think the older the better, in my opinion. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to show you. I have 3 avocados. I think I will keep the other one for later, maybe for next week. I don't care how bad it goes, but you don't care. But I'm gonna use 2 masks today, 2 avocados and 1 banana, and then eggs. And all right, let me show you basically what I'm gonna do. Okay, but for right now, this is my hair. Those white things that you see there are my gray hairs that you see. As you see, your girl is getting old. Yes, it's getting old. So that's what you see there. So let's go and and do the mask for the hair. So this is my hair. Let me move back and show you all. So my gray hairs are really hidden at the back. I mean, not the back, like in the middle of my hair. That's where I have plenty of them. Okay, plenty of my gray hairs, like right in the middle, like they're sitting right there. So yeah, let me show you basically the mixture that we are going to do and stuff like that. Okay, okay guys, so as you can see, this is one avocado that I've opened, and this is another avocado. I think I'm gonna use this due to all of this kind of molded, so I think I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. So like I said, you see how this look right here? This is how I'm going to use it. So the outside, it's really bad, but the inside is still okay. So this is how the inside looks. So we're just gonna take take the inside and literally just use your fingers or spoon, whichever one. I'm gonna use my fingers anyway, so why not? Don't take the part that are not good, just take the ones that okay, do that like that. And also look at this. I told you guys the banana, it's like this. This was what we actually like if you are cooking, baking stuff. So this is really good for that. So I have that right there. So I'm gonna keep this 1 avocado for another hair treatment. So I have this mixture in here. Maybe I need to find a big bowl. Okay, so now I'm gonna empty this in here. Okay, I'm going to put one egg into this. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to use my honey. Just like that. And then I'm going to use olive oil. You can get this from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon, and then I'm going to use coconut oil as well. Okay. So I'm gonna mix all this mixture together, and this should give you your conditioner. And you guys, conditioners are getting too expensive now. You just gotta make whatever works for you, as you see. So yeah, and then mix it. If you want to blend all of this, you can as well. So, but I think they are soft enough that if you want to take your hand like this, you can do to try to mush in all of this as well, because you're gonna use your hand anyway to do. So just like that. So this is how the mixture is looking. So you can't look at that. Okay. So now what you do is section your hair, and then put the let me show you. Okay guys, so what you do is you can section your hair whichever way you normally do it or whatsoever. So but for me, I just go ahead and put the products on. If you can feel the banana or whatsoever, like I said, you can blend this if you want to, but I'm not. So I'm just gonna take it and just keep rubbing it. If you like that smooth texture, go ahead and do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'm gonna do this all over my hair. So like I said, it's just like you perm your hair. You go section by section, make sure every part of your hair got this. So it really helps your hair soften, moisturize, so you get a lot of benefits from this DIY. So don't be, you know, what's the name with it, saying oh my god, it just as long as it's giving your hair moisture and growing your hair, you shouldn't be bothered by you know what the product looks like, it's messy and everything else, you know what I mean? So after I've done this, I'm going to leave this on for about 30 minutes. That's what I normally do with my conditioner anyway. So I'll leave it there for like 30 minutes before I go ahead and literally wash it off. So same thing I do with this. I usually do this once every 2 weeks, but you can do this once every week. You know, I don't wash my hair every week, depending on if I have gel on my hair. I do that every week, you know, or twice a week. But if I have my hair braided down under a wig, I usually go for every 2 weeks. So yeah, so don't be bothered, y'all. And this product, we all have it in our houses, you know. So those bananas, man, I have so many of them in my freezer. I'm tired of it now, so now I'm using it now on me instead of eating it now. So y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, make use of it, you know. So guys, when you're done, you know, just wash your hair, you know, do whatever you do after you do that, and basically it, and you will see the difference in your hair and how your hair is growing and the moisture that it gives to your hair. So yes guys, so this is my, you know, avocado and banana mask, hair mask. So yes guys, and like I said, those rotten bananas are good. They still got all their nutrients on them. So yes, so there's nothing wrong with them if you have the fresh one as well. Like I said, y'all, I use all of them on my hair. I don't mind washing my hair and get it off. But like I said, once I put a cap on my hair, which is a plastic bag cap, so I'll be done. But look at this, yeah. So yeah, so I'm gonna put the plastic bag cap on. I'm not gonna mess up my regular cap or anything, so I just get a plastic bag and put it around my head. You know what we do. So get a bag like this and put it on your head. And go about your business for the next 30 minutes. If you want to leave it there for 15 minutes as well, you can as well. But for me, I usually leave it for 30 minutes. That's how long I wanted my ear mask, you know, to stay on my head. So, but like I said, it's up to you. But I just want to show you, you know, my remedy that I use for my hair and my house. I hope this video was helpful to any of you guys. So yes, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.